Okay, so the first thing you need to do is log into the Play Store and then go to the search field, type in ReachUC, and you should see that nice green icon come up. Go ahead and click Install. And the installation first downloads the file, and then it will actually install it to your phone. So the download is relatively quick. The install takes about a couple of minutes, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip over that. And once it's loaded, you can click Open. It'll open up to the login screen. You can enter your username, which is usually your extension number followed by @ in your company name. And the password will be sent to you. This is just one I made up quickly for training. So pay no attention to that. And once it loads, it'll bring you to this screen where you can agree to the terms. And then it'll ask you for microphone permissions. Go ahead and click Next, and it will ask you to allow it. Same thing with the phone permissions. And same thing with your contact permissions. And then you'll be brought to this screen. You can just hit Next. And you can hit Skip. You don't have to do anything with that. And that's it.